Hi, my name is Tish DeLeverton. I'm from Boise, Idaho. I've been a coach for about 3 years, but I've been an unpaid coach. I've done lots of coaching, but I haven't been able to charge for it. I just coach my friends, I coach my friends' friends, and I wanted to be a paid coach. This program has allowed me to learn selling skills, to sell my coaching skills, and to learn that I'm worth that. I'm worth people paying for my coaching. So going through this training has given me tools and tips to take the coaching into a business, to be able to be paid for that and to do what I love, and to be paid to do what I love. And as we moved into how to enroll people in the coaching, that became very comfortable for us because of the tips and the tools that our instructors, Mandy and Mike, gave to us. I'm so excited to be able to coach and to coach for pay, and now my clients will be coming to me and I will get to do what I love, which is to coach.